Konnichiwa, wise investors. Welcome back to the Dojo of Dollars, your sanctuary for real estate enlightenment. I am your guide through the shadows, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we embark on our journey into the heart of a common pitfall: don't over-renovate. But before we unsheath our wisdom swords, let me pose a question, a riddle that echoes through the corridors of real estate history. What's the silent saboteur that lurks in the midst of every renovation venture? It's a puzzle as old as property itself, my friends, and today we unravel its secrets, the perils of perfection. Our first lesson, the perils of perfection. Picture this, a property that's already a gem, yet the allure of perfection beckons. Step 1. Silence the siren of perfection. Over-renovating, my apprentices, is a silent saboteur that drains not just your coffers, but your precious time. Recognize when good is truly good enough. The Budgetary Battle. The Budgetary Battle, a war waged with paint cans and hammer blows. Step 2. Master the art of budgeting. Over-renovating often stems from a lack of budget discipline. Your wallet is your armor. Don't let it be pierced by the arrows of excess. Every yen spent should yield a return worthy of a samurai's honor. The neighborhood harmony. Now let's talk about neighborhood harmony, a third act that requires a delicate dance. Step 3. Align with the neighborhood. Over-renovating can disrupt the balance, making your property a discordant note in the neighborhood symphony. Understand the rhythm of your surroundings and let your renovations dance to the local tune. The trendy temptation, the fourth dance that lures many astray. Step 4. Beware the allure of trends. Trends come and go like cherry blossoms in spring. What's in vogue today may be passé tomorrow. Renovate with timeless elegance. Don't let the fleeting winds of trends sway your decisions. The anonymous advantage. Before we continue, a reminder of our cloak of anonymity. The Real Estate Sensei operates in the shadows to preserve the harmony of the real estate realm. Unveiling our true identity could disturb the delicate balance and draw the ire of other industry leaders. So, let's keep these secrets within the dojo. There you have it, the wisdom to avoid the silent saboteur of over-renovation. As we close this chapter, I want to hear from you. Have you encountered the perils of perfection or danced with the trendy temptation? Any questions or future topics you'd like the Real Estate Sensei to unravel? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, may your renovations be wise, your investments prosperous, and remember, the path to real estate mastery is paved with calculated steps. This is the Real Estate Sensei, signing off.